Hi everybody, today I'm here to show you how to copy a Jeep Cherokee 2012 remote. So this is the existing working remote, and we have a new KD NB multi remote that we're going to actually clone with the special copy function using the KDX2 and the KD mobile app. So the first step is to open up obviously the NB multi remote, remove the battery from the circuit board, and then we're going to plug the circuit board into the KDX2, the KD remote programming cable. So we now have that connected. The next step is to take the existing working remote, and we're going to now use special copy to clone that. So we're going to select remote function from the main menu, then special copy, and it's going to ask us to follow some steps. So on the existing working remote, it's going to ask us to hold the unlock button. It's then going to ask us to hold the unlock button again. It's then going to ask us to hold the lock button. So on this, the lock button is here. It's going to ask us to hold the lock button again. It's then going to ask us to hold the trunk button. One more time. It's then going to ask us if we had a panic button to hold the panic button. This existing remote does not have a panic button, so you don't need to do that one. We're going to hit skip. Now it's going to tell us the megahertz of the remote. If there is any discrepancies between yours and the original, you can adjust it as needed, but for this it's worked it out perfectly. The next step is to select generate. And we're going to select wired generation because we have the remote plugged in via the wire. It's going to load the information that we've copied into the new remote. So we're now going to put that down. We're going to take the remote circuit board out that we've just done. Going to put a battery in it. And as you can see, it now functions the vehicle. So this means that you could copy the transponder chip, copy the remote board, and you're 100% done for this. It makes it very easy. It means you do not have to diagnostically program anything to the vehicle anymore. Very cool little feature. Thanks very much for watching.